Hello everyone, welcome to CodeTube channel. Today we will understand what are the top machine learning and deep learning libraries or frameworks. So let's get started. The first library is Panda. So Panda is a Python package and it has different data structures to perform multiple tasks. So the main functionality of pandas is used for data manipulation and data analysis. For example, if you have loaded the CSV file and if you want to perform operation on that particular file, then you can convert that CSV into a data frame. You can convert that into a table and you can perform operations on it. So basically data frame is nothing but it is a 2D table, and this pandas is open source. So basically pandas is used for data manipulation purpose. The next library is numpy library. Numpy stands for numerical Python. So whenever you want to perform operations on multidimensional arrays, in that case this numpy is great. It has high performance and it also requires less memory. So these are the operations which you can perform with the help of numpy, that is mathematical, logical, Fourier transform and linear algebra. So the main function is multidimensional array. So you can easily work with multidimensional array using the numpy. The next is scipy. Scipy stands for scientific Python and it is built on the top of numpy and basically used for scientific and engineering application. For any scientific computation you can import scipy and you can work. The next is scikit-learn. So scikit-learn is used to develop any machine learning model. If you want to write any machine learning algorithm, then everything is available in the scikit-learn. You can easily import any algorithm. Now these are the algorithm in scikit-learn: classification, regression, clustering, classification algorithm like logistic regression, decision tree, then regression algorithm like linear regression. We have clustering algorithms as well. And the only thing is you just need to know how to import those functions or how to write those algorithms. You don't need to write the mathematical formula behind it, but you must know the method to import the particular function or particular algorithm. And it also has algorithm with integrated graphics. So this scikit-learn is great if you want to start with data science project. You can easily write algorithm, you can easily train the model. The next is Tensorflow and Keras. Tensorflow and Keras are used for deep learning models. So the main difference between the Tensorflow and Keras is Tensorflow is used for high and low level API and Keras is used for high level API only. And this Keras is also known as neural network library. Now what is the difference between Keras and Tensorflow? Keras is easy to use. If you know Python, you can easily write the code. You can easily quickly implement the code. But for TensorFlow, you need to learn the syntax, and it is generally used for complex networks. Now, Keras is suitable for the smaller data set. So if you have a smaller data set, then you can easily develop a quick model using Keras. And this TensorFlow is generally used for the large model and basically a heavy model which can be deployed in the production. So, but the disadvantage of Keras is the community support is minimum. And for TensorFlow, it is backed by high community support. So that is the difference between TensorFlow and Keras. But the main functionality is both can be used to develop a deep learning model. And machine learning and deep learning model can be easily implemented with the TensorFlow and Keras with a great accuracy. And both the models are better for production. If you want to deploy any neural network, then you can use Keras and TensorFlow. The next is Pytorch. Again, it is used for AI and deep learning purpose, but it is mostly used for computer vision and natural language processing. Computer vision is related to image processing. So if you want to deploy any model like face recognition, face detection, so in that case you can use computer vision, and natural language processing means any text based or speech based model. So for this, Pytorch is great. And generally this Pytorch is used for research purpose and also for production, but mostly for research purpose. The next is NLTK. NLTK stands for Natural Language Toolkit. So it is used for natural language processing. So this packages contains different modules which can interpret the human languages. So natural language processing means whenever you are dealing with a project which contains the text based approach or the speech based approach, then you can use this NLTK, and it has a great support for human languages. So you can perform stemming, lemmatization, you can check out the stop words, so anything you can perform. I have also explained how to install NLTK, and I have also explained you the stemming and lemmatization part. I will share the link in the description. You can go through that. So this is the NLTK package. Thank you guys for watching this video.